If discipline feels hard, you're not broken. You're just doing it wrong. Discipline isn't the problem. You keep trying to be disciplined, and you keep failing. So you start thinking, maybe I'm just lazy. Maybe I don't have what it takes. That's not true. The real problem. Discipline feels hard because you're relying on motivation. And motivation is inconsistent. One day you feel ready. The next day you don't. That's why you keep starting and stopping. Mindset shift. Discipline isn't about forcing yourself. It's about designing your life so success becomes easier. Make good habits simple. Make bad habits difficult. That's how real discipline works. 4 reasons you keep failing. 1. You rely on motivation. Motivation is a feeling. Feelings change. Systems don't. 2. You start too big. You go from 0 to extreme and burn out fast. Start small. Build consistency first. 3. Your environment is working against you. Your phone, your friends, your habits. If everything around you distracts you, you'll lose every time. 4. You don't track progress. What gets measured improves. If you're not tracking it, you're guessing. The fix. Simple system. Set small daily targets. Remove distractions before you start. Focus on consistency, not perfection. Track your wins every day. Discipline becomes easier when your system is right. You don't need more motivation. You need a better system. Because once your system works, discipline stops feeling hard and starts feeling automatic. If this changed how you see discipline, like the video, comment system if you're fixing yours. Subscribe, because consistency builds everything.